back to my Project 13. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's a little after 9 a.m. in the morning. I just got off of work. It's my early shift. And yeah, on my way home now. But before I left work, I actually got a notification for a video. This is Tech Today. If you're not subscribed to him, I'm going to give you a chance to do that by leaving a link to his channel down below in the description, because he's got a video that he just uploaded, and it is very interesting. As of late, I've been talking about the Google Pixel 3 XL. I've been posting pic leaks, video leaks, unboxing. The unboxing video is probably the best footage of the Google Pixel 3 XL that we've seen so far. But apparently all these leaks may be part of a huge scam by Google, just to find out what the consumer wants and what Google is going to be releasing eventually after the announcement in October. So all that information may not even be real. Everything we've been talking about, sharing, looking at, visually, pictures, video, all scam. Again, Google staging one of the biggest scams ever in smartphone history, possibly, just to get consumer feedback on what we want when it comes to the Google Pixel 3 XL. So this is Tech Today, exclusively got some information and pic leaks that he is showing you, the viewer, over at his channel in this video, this exclusive video of what the Google Pixel 3 XL could possibly be and what it will look like. And it doesn't have a notch. So everything, again, everything that we've been talking about, everything we've seen, we've read, may not even be the real deal. And what he's now got a hold of in his video may be the real deal, but we may never know until the announcement in October. So this is getting very interesting, and maybe this is what Google wanted all along. It still could end up being what we've been looking at and sharing and having conversations about. You know, I just uploaded a video. I shared a link over at Twitter. I did a vlog on the way home, an afternoon vlog, and I attached the video of the unboxing of the Google Pixel 3 XL. There's a young lady that's unboxing the device, and towards the end, she's taking selfies of herself with the Google Pixel 3 XL. I mean, it's just right there. But that may or may not be the real deal. And what This Is Tech Today is showing in his latest video that he just uploaded exclusively may end up being. Now, these pictures that you're going to see in his video, he's describing how they're determining that this could be that device. So again, you're going to go hit the link down below in the description, and you're going to check out the video, and please come back here and leave some feedback, because I want to know what you think. There's a couple comments over at his video that a couple of his viewers that think it's actually the Google Pixel 2 XL. So at this point, I don't know. I'm going to leave the videos up because what I have up there and what This Is Tech Today previously had up could be real. But maybe what he has now is the real deal. And man, it's conversation. It's all fun. It's all good. I mean, eventually it's all going to come out anyway, right? It's going to come out. We'll have the device either way. And hey, if this was Google's way of finding out what they were going to go with after they got all the feedback that they wanted from the consumer, you know, but you would think they'd have already, maybe not a huge batch, but a batch of these already to go. So, I mean, again, I hope that they're not going to rush the Google Pixel 3 XL now that they got the feedback that they wanted, and end up putting out a device that's going to end up having issues that happened with the Google Pixel 2. okay? When they went from HTC to LG. And he'll talk about that too. So check out his link, come on back, and then we'll talk about it. But yeah, it's crazy stuff. This is Tech Today's channel. Down below in the description, the Google Pixel 3 XL. Is it the biggest smartphone scam in history? Did Google just get away with something amazing? In the end, again, it's all about having some fun. Peace, I'm out. God bless.